This healthy, creamy Greek dip is so easy to make, you'll never buy store-bought again. Classic tzatziki is a cucumber dip that's very healthy and very simple to make. Start by peeling a cucumber. Trim the ends with a sharp paring knife and then grate the flesh. You want to avoid the seeds by stopping just before you reach the soft center. Line a fine mesh sieve with a coffee filter and add the cucumber pulp to drain. Then add chopped garlic and lemon zest to a mortar and pestle and just grind it together until you have a nice thick paste. Then drain the cucumber. You can see that a little bit of liquid has leaked out, but to really get it, you need to squeeze a little packet of cucumber and you'll be amazed at how much juice it releases. Set the cucumber aside and let's assemble the tzatziki sauce. It starts with Greek yogurt, and you can use whole milk or non-fat style. Then we add the lemon and garlic combination along with some olive oil and give it a good stir. Make sure it's very well blended so that the flavors are even throughout. Season with salt and pepper, and then add fresh herbs. Mint and dill are the classic combination for this sauce. Mix the herbs well and then stir in the cucumber. This tzatziki sauce isn't just for heroes. Try it as a dip with pita chips or serve it alongside my Greek lamb meatballs recipe. If you enjoyed this, give it a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy.